welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a little review on a eyeshadow palette that I've been waiting a while to get. Before I went home, I ordered this Aftershock palette, which is the dupe for the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. Listen, this is life, y'all. Life, right? So the Huda Beauty one cost $27. It has these same shades in here. I'm gonna put the picture right there so you can see, just that the colors are in a different order. That's the only thing that's really different between them. And the price, this one was $10 and Huda is $27. Right now Shop Hush is having a sale where you could get 4 of these palettes. There are other colorways. You can get them 4 for $30. So that's an actual really good deal. You could buy 1 for $27 from Huda, or you could get 4 for $30 from Bad Habits. Yeah. So I did this beautiful cut crease look today, and I'm trying to work on my cut crease and work on more bold looks for my channel. So that's why I decided to do something a little bit more bold today. So if you want to see how I created this look using the Aftershock palette, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my primer on, and this is a Spackle Lorac Oil Control Primer. I'm gonna have the full name down in the description box. I can't remember it right now. I'm just testing this out. I'm not quite sure what foundation I'm gonna use today, but we'll see if it works or not. I used it the other day with the NARS foundation and it still got oily, so today I'm gonna try a different foundation. Not sure which one just yet, and we will see. I just got a sample, so that's the first thing I want to do. Then I could tell that this is silicone base. I actually really like that. And then we're gonna do our brows. I haven't done my brows on camera in a long time, so I decided to do them on camera today. So I'm just using the spoolie from my Colourpop pencil to brush my brows up and across. I haven't done my brows in a while, so yeah. It's not as easy when your brows aren't done, but we gonna make it work. When my brows are done, guys, it's so easy to do my brows. Just fill in little spaces and you're good. When they're not done, on the other hand, drop. Okay, so I know I'm looking a little crazy. There's a method to my madness. So my brows are done. Then I'm gonna take this Sacha eyeshadow base. So I don't usually use this. The only time I use this is when I have really bright shadows that I want to pop even more. I'll pull this bad boy out. It's white, so it's gonna make everything that goes on top of it look even better. I'm gonna set that with Patrick's powder. Ooh, I know I'm looking crazy. Don't worry, this is all gonna come together. Okay, so my eyes are looking crazy, but let's start. So we're gonna go into Electronica. Now, one thing about these shadows is that there is a lot of kickback. Now, the first time I used this palette, the yellow was not coming out as bright as it is now. So that is why I decided to use a white eyeshadow base so that I could get the full amount of pigment that I want. I'm using the Sigma E40 blending brush. I like to start with this brush because it's bigger and it's just easier to blend out. I have pretty big lids, and this is like just my first color that I'm putting down. The shadow is a little patchy, and I think that could be because of the base that I use. That Sacha eyeshadow base is like not the best. I just needed something that was white, but I still think the look is gonna come together nicely once we add the other shadows and everything blends together. Then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild brush, and I'm gonna take the shade shade Chaser, and I'm placing that a little under the yellow, not right up to the top, more so in my actual crease. Wow, and these colors are blending beautifully together. Yes, this is a pigment. I'm gonna wing this out a little bit. Now I want to go in with Tingle on the same brush, and I'm just gonna place that over that color we just used. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that had the yellow on it and just blend out the edges. Right, that is really the key to these cut crease looks, blending. Okay, I'm sorry if that was a little blurry. Right now I'm gonna go in with the MAC 224 brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Surge, and this is gonna be put right in my actual crease, a little lower, so we have all those colors coming together in the crease. Now we are gonna cut this crease, so you want to make sure that you get this color high enough so that a little bit will be showing through after you cut the crease. And I think, you know, you would just need to practice a little bit to see like where you should cut your crease. Everybody is different. Okay, so I'm still adding Surge. Do you see like the beautiful blend of these colors? So I'm just taking a clean brush and just really blending the edges out on the top here, because we don't want this to be harsh at all. This pan doesn't have like a deep purple shade, so I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place Magic Palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Buffet, and on a pencil brush I am going to deepen the crease even more. Right, so I'm placing it and blending a little bit with the pencil brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just blend that out, blend it to the outer edge. Okay, then I'm gonna take a paint pot by MAC in the shade Painterly, and I'm gonna cut my crease with it. Usually I use soft ochre, but I just felt like switching it up a little bit. Now that the crease is cut, we need to decide what shimmer color we want to put on the inside. And I think I want to do this blue, this bluish purple color right here called Light Show. Okay, I don't think I want to do any liner, so I'm just gonna take this MAC in Extreme Dimension lash and prep my eyelashes for my falsies. So this is what the eye is looking like right now. Like it, and you'll know once I'm finished with my face, then I'll do my bottom lash line. So I'll be right back once it's finished. Okay guys, so we're finished with the look. What do we think? What do we think? I really like how it came out. The purple is giving me life. I love to wear purple eyeshadow. I think it makes me look so cute, so I'm all about the purple. Yeah, I think this came out pretty good. I'm proud of myself on this look and this cut crease. So if you guys want to see more cut crease looks like this, you could also let me know. I am gonna have some glitter looks coming up for sure, because I asked on Facebook what people would like to see from me. And oh, I forgot to mention, I didn't go in depth with hooded, you know, how to do your shadow for hooded eyes, but I will have some more hooded eye friendly tutorials coming in the future. Damn, I was supposed to do that in this video and I forgot. But no fair, I'm gonna do a lot more eyeshadow looks, and I could definitely do step by step to show you how to really create beautiful eyeshadow looks for hooded eyes. And I want to start with more beginner friendly looks for that, so maybe it was good that I didn't do the hooded eye, you know, demo on this look, because this is much more involved. So yeah, without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's lo.beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and LeBeat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can comment, like, share this video if you want. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, guys. Bye.